definitely done this many times. Yeah, okay. So you have to be really careful about it. And if you're not careful, it goes death, destruction. Okay. So you know dy dx is equal to what? 3 plus 1 over x times y, correct? So you have to separate variables now. So you know that dy over y is going to be equal to 3 plus 1 over x what? Dx. So what do you do now? What do you do to both sides? Integrate. So you get ln, absolute value of y, is equal to what? 3x plus what? Ln x plus what? But you need to know what that c value is, right? But you know when x is 1, what's y? 2. So let's plug in. What do you get? Ln of is equal to 3 plus ln of 1 plus what? Is that correct? How am I doing so far? Is that good? Okay. So what is ln of 1? 0. So what do you have here? ln 2 equals what?
3 plus c.
3 plus c. So what does c equal?
ln 2 minus 3.
ln 2 over 3? Like that? Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yeah.
How am I doing?
Why is it over 3?
Oh, I'm sorry. Minus 3. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Thank you for minus.
Forgot algebra?
Just basic algebra. Minus 3 is equal to c. You're like, wait a minute, Mr. Seamon. Crazy talk. So what do you do now? What do you do now? We found c. What do you do with this now? Come on, kids. What do you do now? You plug it into where? Line 1, 2, 3, or 4? Line 2. You plug it in right there, right? So what does that kick out now? So now you have, what do you have here? ln of y is equal to what? 3x plus ln x plus what? ln 2 minus what? Is that correct? What are we now trying to isolate? Y. So what do we now have? We have e to the 3x plus ln x plus ln of 2 minus 3 equals what? Equals y. We're going from log form to exponential form. Now we need to simplify that. How do we simplify that? What does plus mean? Multiply? Something like that?
Oh, so like e to the 3.
So what do we make it into? E to the what? So it's e to the 3x.
You can say minus 3.
So yeah, so what do you do? What's going on here? What do I do?
So e to the 3x minus 3.
E to the 3x minus 3. I like that. Nice.
E to the ln of 2, which is just
E to the what?
ln
2 times e to the what?
of x.
ln of x, right? Equals y. Is that correct? How am I doing so far? Well, what is e to the ln 2? So you get y is equal to 2x e to the what? And is that one of them? I think that's one of them, right? I think the answer is therefore what? A. Cool? Yay? Okay.